We can very well understand this. He has to pay from his pocket the interest from 2011 up to date. Yes, tell us, why should we not ask you to pay?
What I am saying, Lord, is that in the year 2018, since the inquiry was conducted, it was found since there was distribution in
So
illegal.
you have kept your hands closed.
No, no.
All right, you will not pay.
No. I would be the last person to say such thing, my lord.
If you say that, we will be asking that joint secretary and taking action against him. Why are you inviting?
In fact,
These in facts are what is unfortunate.
I think director and deputy director, I had instruction.
No, I'll say director. Yes, what is the appearance? Whose appearance?
The principal of the college was in presence. On last occasion, my
I
lords,
was called.
on last occasion, a draft for payment up to 2011 was produced by the principal, my lords, in the court. The
Yes.
original petitioner, my lords, died in the year 2017. And that view of the matter, the payment from 2011 to 2017 was, my lords, has to be. The payment between 2011 to 2017 till her death is still due, my lords.
Yes, why have you not released this grant to him?
My lord, on the last.
Why should you ask for an affidavit?
My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, state was directed as to why the funds are not being released. Earlier, in fact, my lord, the inquiry was conducted
The
and.
funds were released
Ji.
and you did not release his salary because he did not file an affidavit that if any dispute arises, the salary would be returned.
I am appealing on behalf of the state, my lord.
Wait, I don't know, you sometimes
Yes,
appear.
my lord, I am for respondent number 9, madam.
Yes,
प्रिंसिपल मैडम हुजूर के आदेश से अर्लियर ड्राफ्ट दे दिया गया था, वो पेमेंट कर दिया गया है
कर दिया?
जी हुजूर।
कब
हुजूर
किया?
का ऑर्डर देखा जाए ना।
ये डिमांड ड्राफ्ट जो है ये
जी।
कब का बनाया हुआ था? 2011 का, और आपने 2011 से अमाउंट विदड्रॉ करके रखा हुआ था. That is why we called you a principal.
Yes, madam.
So why should we not ask him to pay interest on this amount
इनका कहना
from
था
2011 up to this period?
काउंटर में हुजूर हम लिखे, इनका कहना था कि उस समय में अलॉटमेंट मिला और कहा गया कि एफिडेविट सब आदमी दे दे। इनके हस्बैंड भी उस स्कूल।
Where is that rule of giving an affidavit? Then दादी बचा रखी है, जब तक शेयर नहीं दे वो अपने पैसे का, जब तक आप उनको ड्राफ्ट नहीं दो. We can very well understand this. He has to pay from his pocket the interest from 2011 up to date. Yes, tell us, why should we not ask you to pay?
पेमेंट क्यों नहीं किया?
You will pay it from your own pocket. Should we ask the action to be taken against him?
एक्चुअली हुजूर उस समय में मैनेजमेंट का डिसीजन था कि सभी लोग एफिडेविट देंगे और जितने टीचर थे सभी
And what about after 2011?
इनके
What
हस्बैंड
is the position after 2011? Please come up front. Tell
उसके
us.
बाद
what is the
अलॉटमेंट
position?
अभी तक नहीं मिला है।
11th के बाद से ग्रांट नहीं मिला है
Have you sent demand?
जी। 2-3 लेटर मैंने प्रिंसिपल से
Where are they?
दिया।
Have you brought them?
वो काउंटर में नहीं लगा है।
Your Lordship, may I inform to this honorable for one thing, Your Lordship?
Yes.
We have filed an affidavit earlier, Your Lordship, bringing on record, Your Lordship, that since there were irregularities having been committed by the authorities concerned, Your Lordship, we have stopped the release of the payment, Your Lordship.
Why?
Because there were irregularities in distributing the salary of the.
So you should have distributed from at your own level.
We will do, Your Lordship, and we have taken instruction, Your Lordship, that for the till 2016, Your Lordship, the grant would be released within 2 months, Your Lordship, because it is under pipeline, Your Lordship. And this is an affidavit, Your Lordship, which is on.
It can't be. There can't be both the things together.
Yes.
One is you say that we have got the grants, but we will not release it because there is an irregularity.
In fact, earlier inquiry.
Or You say that no, we have not received the grant, it is still in the pipeline.
No,
There can't be two things together, mister.
what I am saying, Lord, is that in the year 2018, since the inquiry was conducted, it was found, since there were distribution in
So
illegal.
you have kept your hands closed.
No, no.
All right, you will not pay.
No, no, no. I would be the last person to say such thing, my lord. What the joint secret illegality having been committed by them in distributing the fund, your lordship, we have stopped the release of the fund, your lordship, in the year 2018, your lordship. Now, today I had a talk to the Director Secondary Education, Lord. He has said that with regard to the fund after 2011, your lordship, we would be releasing such fund, your lordship, within 2 months till 2016, my lord. It is under pipeline, your lordship.
And then after 2016,
That would be done, your lordship.
it should be up to 2000. We are in 23,
Ji, ji.
Mr. Council. What are you saying?
That would be done, your lordship. May I pray, your lordship, further to which may be granted, we will bring on the records of the case, your lordship. And that is a instruction as of today, your lordship.
The principal, Dr. Janarnath Mishra Inter College, Supal, Supol, is present. He states that the demand draft of a sum of rupees 1,22,793 for the period from 2006 to 2011 has now been handed over to the daughters of the deceased original petitioner Poonam Chaudhary after the order was passed by this court. The amount, no explanation has come forward for non-payment of the said amount for so many years. This court is satisfied that the amount has been wrongly withheld. It would therefore carry interest at the rate of 12% per annum from the date it was due. The said interest shall be paid by the principal to the concerned daughters within period of 3 months from today. Learned counsel appearing for the state submits that he has instructions from the Director, Secondary Education, that the amount of grant to the college after 2011 shall be released as early as possible and shall be also disbursed expeditiously. This court finds that there has been an abnormal delay in payment of salary and dues of a teacher who has expired during the pendency of this petition. Her daughters are claiming the said amount, which is required to be disbursed by the respondents. However, accepting the explanation given out by learned counsel for the state, this court directs that the grant must be positively released not only to the petitioner but to the other teachers of the college expeditiously, preferably within period of 3 months from now. An officer of the considering that the principal had not released the amount to the deceased petitioner even up to 2011, the Director, Secondary Education is advised to get the disbursement of salary amount under supervision of a senior officer of the state government, who will see to it that the amount is paid to the teachers without any further delay and without causing any further hindrances.
Your Lordship, one thing we only indicated, Your Lordship, that the grant in aid was stopped only due to the fact that there was a letter of the Joint Secretary because irregularities.
If you say that, we will be asking that joint secretary and taking action against him. Why are you inviting?
In fact,
These in facts are what is unfortunate.
I think would director and deputy director I had instruction.
No, I'll say director. Let the director be bound.
My lord, appearance of principal dispensed.
Appearance of the principal for now is exempted.
All right.
List this case after 4 weeks,
Okay.
4 months, 3 months के बाद करेंगे.
Item number 92.
डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दें, इसके अलावा कुछ थोड़ी रह गया इसमें.
जी
वकील साहब कहा दें. Anything else is left out? It is लिख लीजिए. The petition is accordingly disposed of. However, it is made clear that the petitioners would be free to move appropriate application before this court if the compliance is not made.
Yes, all right.